Hi, friends. Hi, Prajan. How are you?
I'm fine. Today was story, mummy.
Today, I'm going to tell you a story about God Dattatreya. Ready to hear the story?
Yes, shall we start?
Okay.
Yes, we will start. Okay, done.
So long ago, there was a forest, Jnana Narayana forest. That country has no rains. In that forest and in that country, there lived Sage Atri and his wife Anasuya. All sages approached Anasuya. She took some water in hand, prayed God, and sprinkled the water. Then what happened, Prajan? Do you know?
No, mummy.
Immediately started to rain. Then all sages were so happy and thanked Anasuya and Sage Atri. Prajan, who is he?
Narada. Narayana.
Narayana, Narayana. This incident Narada told to goddess Saraswati, Lakshmi, and Parvati. Narada started praising Anasuya's devotion. The three goddesses got angry and want to prove that they are more devoted to God than Anasuya. Prajan, who are they three?
Om Namah Shivaya. Vishnu. Brahmadev.
Oh, you recite a sloka. Do you remember Guru Brahma? Tell me.
Guru Brahma. Guru Vishnu. Guru Devo Maheshwara. Guru Sarsha. Parabrahma Tasmai Shri Gurve Namaha.
Very good. Wife of three gods Parvati, Lakshmi, and goddess Saraswati. All three goddesses went and asked Brahma, Vishnu, and Shiva to go to Anasuya and find her devotion to God. Those three gods, Brahma, Vishnu, and Shiva, they were puzzled and agreed to go to Anasuya house.
Three gods as Brahmins.
Yes, all three gods went to Anasuya house as Brahmins. They gave some sand and asked Anasuya to cook and serve. Anasuya realized that Brahma, Vishnu, and Shiva come in disguise to test her. She took the sand and poured water and said, Harihara Brahmarpanam. The sand became as a cooked food. So, Prajan, now the sand given by the Brahmins is ready as a cooked rice, ready to serve.
Yes. And Anasuya husband came.
Yes, the Brahmins want to her to feed the food. Anasuya sprinkled water and changed them as small babies and given food. After feeding the three, she put them in the three cradles and started singing. जो अच्युतानंद जो जो मुकुंदा लाली परमानंद राम गोविंदा जो. Now all three babies slept. Anasuya husband Arti sage happy to see Trimurtis means Brahma, Vishnu and Shiva sleeping as small babies in his house. Three goddesses waited for Trimurtis but did not return from Anasuya's house. Narada informed that they are sleeping in Anasuya's house. Three goddesses got angry. All three goddesses rushed to Anasuya's house, and to their surprise, to see their Trimurtis in the form of babies. Goddess begged Anasuya to give back as Trimurtis. Anasuya said, "You can take your god from the cradle." They find difficult to identify the Brahma, Vishnu, and Shiva. Why? Because all look same. Anasuya asked them to sit near the river and pray for Brahma, Vishnu, and Shiva. Saraswati, Lakshmi, and Parvati immediately they started to pray. At last, Brahma, Vishnu, and Shiva appeared on a banyan tree and blessed them.
Om Namah Shivaya.
Om Brahmadeva.
Om Brahmadev.
Om Vishnudeva.
Om Vishnudeva.
Trimurtis asked goddess to go to Anasuya and begged for the mistake and take the babies. Anasuya excused all three goddesses and gave them back their Trimurtis babies to them. At last, three babies become Brahma, Vishnu, and Shiva. They all blessed Anasuya for her sincere devotion to God and her husband. Now, three Murtis took a form of
Dattatreya Namaha.
Yes, Anasuya prayed Trimurtis as one baby god in his house. Brahma, Vishnu, and Shiva. They all agreed. They joined together as one baby, later known as Dattatreya, God for knowledge, power, and creation. Om Dattatreya Namaha.
Om Dattatreya Namaha.
Okay, kids, that's all is the story for today.
Okay, friends, if you like the story, please like, share, and subscribe. Bye. See you. Good night.